Hello YouTube, in today's video I'll be looking at the OMX Copenhagen 20 Index. You can see we had a breakout here in 2019. We've been in a long established uptrend. It's been a very good index to invest in for the long term. We had a type of ascending triangle over here. If I measure a move, see we made the target, we had a pullback. And then been shooting up higher since. So let's have a look at all the components of the Copenhagen 25. First we've got DSV AS. It's transportation air freight corridor. I can see it's probably forming some sort of symmetrical triangle or some sort of consolidation. So it could be interesting name to keep an eye on. Next, we've got Orsted. Since making a peak in 2020, it's broken down. It's continued to break down consistently over time. Next, we've got Nordea Bank, which is a major bank. I can see, looking at the chart, that we've been in an established uptrend. We're currently undergoing some sort of consolidation at the moment, which could break out to the upside. Next, we've got AP Moller Maersk BAS, which is a green shipping company. I can see since hitting a peak in late 2021, it's been collapsing. Next, we've got Vestas Wind Systems. You can see since making a peak in the start of 2021, it's never been able to recapture the upside. I can see there's some sort of bear flag. So there's potential for more downside, especially if we break this trend line. Then it's forming a downtrend. Next, we've got Coloplast BAS, which is medical specialties company. I can see it's been in an uptrend, but recently, since making a peak in November 2021, it's been in a bit of a downtrend. Could be classed as a bull flag, but we need to make sure that we actually break to the upside. Otherwise, this could be an established downtrending channel. It could be in a new downtrend, to be honest. We'll have to keep an eye on it. Next, we've got Genmab AS, which is a pharmaceutical major. I can see it's been in a general uptrend over time. At the moment, we made a marginally higher high in December 2022. It's been in a bit of a downtrend since. Next, we've got Carlsberg BAS, which is beverages alcoholic company. And I can see, looking at this chart, that basically been in a major uptrend over time. Been sideways since about July 2019, so it's not necessarily been a good investment recently. Next, we've got Danske Bank, and I can see this has been trending sideways. It's been a good trade off these lows over here. It's generally been trending sideways as an equity, so it's not necessarily been a good investment as a bank. Next, we've got TriGAS, which is insurance broker services. And I can see that this has been an uptrend over time. But recently, in September 2022, it's entered a downtrend. Next, we've got Demont AS, which is a medical specialties company. I can see, looking at this, that this has the potential to form a symmetrical triangle of some sorts before we break to the upside. So maybe if we had a bit of a down leg here and we rallied a bit higher, this could be a good opportunity for long. Next, we've got Pandora. I can see this has been an uptrend over time. We've had this symmetrical triangle that's broken out to the upside. So it's potentially got more to go on this name, higher to go on this name. Ooh, next we've got GSK Bank. I can see, looking at this nice symmetrical triangle pattern, that potentially got higher to go on this name. It's given us a nice target. If we project from here and see, it hasn't quite made its target. It's got a bit more upside, but this was a good breakout to trade since 2021. Next, we've got a Rockwool AS Series B. See, this generally been an uptrend, but it hasn't gone anywhere since September 2018. So it's been going sideways. It's been a good trade off the low there. But we need to see more price pair to see where it's going, determine where it's going next. Next, we've got Royal Unibrew AS, which is a beverages alcoholic company. I can see looking at this chart, potentially could be forming some sort of symmetrical or descending triangle over here. That's one to keep an eye on since it's peaked here in July 2021 and it's been in a downtrend ever since. So it's not necessarily a good investment at this moment in time unless we see further continuation to the upside. Next, we've got Ambu AS, which is medical specialties company. I can see this has generally been an uptrend over time. I can see we made a peak in April 2021. It's never been able to recover since. It's been in a downtrend. Next, we've got IAS, which is miscellaneous commercial services company. I can see looking at this chart, potentially could be breaking lower, but remains to be seen. We're currently just trading sideways, really, since February 2020, so it's not been a good investment. Next, we've got GN Store, Nord AS. Now, I can see looking at this chart, it's been in a general uptrend, but recently it's entered a downtrend since July 2021. It's been going down ever since, so it's not a good investment. Next, we've got FL Smith and Co. AS, and I can see looking at this chart, it's generally been trending sideways since 2007. Been a decent trade off the lows here. There was a nice doubly bottom structure over here, like this. If we measure a move, if I project it, I can see we still haven't made our target yet, but there's a marginal upside on this name. It's got Bavarian Nordic AS, pharmaceuticals major space, and I can see, looking at this chart, it's not gone anywhere since 2004. It's just been trending sideways. There's been a few peaks during that time, which you could have traded, but apart from that, it's just been a bad investment. Next, we've got Net Company, which has made a peak in August 2021, and it's been in a downtrend ever since. So that's not a good investment year. If you like the video, press the thumbs up button, press subscribe, hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.